Winter storm warning. Shit.
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. What? Heavy snow expected. 6 to 10 inches in the capital region and the Mohawk Valley. 8 to 16 inches over Berkshires, Helderbergs, Schoharie Valley, northern mid-Hudson Valley, and the northern and central Tectonics. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? The central and eastern Mohawk Valley, Helderbergs, Schoharie Valley, northern and central Tectonics, and the northern portions of the mid-Hudson Valley of eastern New York and the Berkshires of western Massachusetts. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Lingering snow Tuesday morning will impact the Tuesday morning commute. Additional details, snowfall rates in inch an hour are possible Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. Some blowing and drifting snow is possible Monday night into Tuesday morning, reducing visibilities. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm watch in effect from Monday afternoon through Tuesday evening.
Well,
What?
my
Heavy snow possible.
WR120 decoded that properly. The last winter storm warning showed up as a
Where? Hamilton and
unrecognized
Southern Airport
advisory.
counties. When? From Monday.
This thing did good. Check here. Shit. Lighting is horrible on this bitch, but yep, it decoded it properly this time. I don't know what happened last time.